Global uncertainty impacts your teams. They have to navigate changing consumer demand, viruses, and stranded supply ships to keep factories running and keep producing the goods and services we all rely on. For over 10 years, Augury has been working against uncertainty by helping companies and their teams predict and prevent machine failures to eliminate unplanned downtime. It started with the Auguscope, when we placed portable diagnostics in the hands of technicians. Then we created Machine Health Critical for assets too important to fail. With advanced sensing, AI, and a team of reliability experts, MHCR's continuous monitoring and predictive insights has saved customers hundreds of millions of dollars and thousands of hours in unplanned downtime. It's so reliable, with an insurance-backed guarantee. Our customers love the value they get from Machine Health Critical and Auguscope. But we discovered a gap in coverage, an entire scope of assets that weren't critical but still too important to leave to a route-based solution. So we created Machine Health Supporting Equipment, a solution that provides continuous monitoring and predictive insights across the next tier of important assets. With MHSE, you can monitor your entire facility based on each machine's criticality, eliminating uncertainty and optimizing resources while empowering your workforce in the process. We don't know what the next global disruption will be, but when it comes to machine health based on asset criticality, we have your facility completely covered, all on one platform. Just call us your partner in predictability. To learn more, contact us today.